Hello, it's Wednesday, January 26, 2015, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX Trading Support Center with your daily trading outlook. We begin with the U.S. stock market. U.S. indices finished mixed after downbeat U.S. housing and manufacturing reports. The NASDAQ rose by 0.16%, the S&P 500 fell by 0.55%, and the Dow Jones lost 0.79% from its value. Apple shares rose, closing at $112.98 a share. Turning to the pairs now, the U.S. dollar traded higher against most major currencies on Friday after downbeat existing home sales with 5.04 million versus 5.08 million and Flash Manufacturing PMI at 53.7 versus 54.1 forecasted. But the greenback still continued to trade at a 12-year peak as risk aversion continued to dominate. Today, the investors' focus will be on the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate reports. The euro fell by 1.38% versus the US dollar, closing at 1.1208 after markets were still digesting the European Central Bank's announcement of a large-scale stimulus program. Today, the German Ifo Business Climate report is expected at 106.7 versus 105.5 previously, and the Eurogroup meetings are expected to last all day. The pound slightly fell versus the US dollar, closing at 1.4990, despite the release of upbeat retail sales data, as expectations for the Bank of England to hold its monetary policy for longer continued to weigh. Today, the BBA mortgage approvals report is expected at 36.6K versus 36.7K previously. Finally, in commodities, gold slightly fell on Friday, closing at $1,294 an ounce, and crude oil fell, closing at $45.39 a barrel. And that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow morning as we continue to bring you the latest market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs and where your personal account manager is ready to answer all of your questions. From all of us here at UFX, we wish you a successful trading day.